Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. I am Zainab Imran. Today I am going to teach you about fractions, that is proper, improper, equivalent and mixed number. Before I start my lesson, I want to share the learning outcomes of my lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to identify and convert between different forms of fractions. For example, proper, improper, equivalent and mixed numbers. So let's do a recap of the topic fractions. I think you all are familiar with what fractions are. Fractions actually is a number that describes a part of a whole or a part of a set. Like for example, I am going to write over here example 2/3 or 2/3 also. So 2, that is called numerator. That is the top number of a fraction, and that tells us how many parts of the whole or set you have. So this 2 is called numerator, and the down number or the bottom number, that is called denominator. So denominator of a fraction, that tells us how many parts there are in the whole or set. So can you relate it with your real life examples? Yes, like pizza, you can give example. If you want to meet your friend at 4:30, you use fractions to determine the time. If you are baking in the kitchen, you have to check the oven 4 times in the hour. So you use fractions to determine how often you should check. Like 4/4, that equals to 1 whole. Now there are different types of examples. I am going to explain you about that as well. Like first one is proper fractions. So when the numerator or the top number is smaller than the denominator or the bottom number, that is called proper fractions. Now in this case, like 3 is the numerator. As you all know, 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. So when numerator is less than denominator, you can see here, if numerator is less than denominator, that is called proper fraction. 6/8, here also numerator is less than denominator. So this is the point to note. When numerator is less than denominator, that is called proper fractions. Next is the improper fractions. Improper fraction is the opposite of proper fractions. In proper fraction, numerator is smaller than the denominator, but here numerator is greater than the denominator. You can see numerator is 9, denominator is 4. So numerator is greater than the denominator. This point you have to remember. When numerator is greater than denominator, that is called improper fraction. Or equals to 1. If it's equals to 1, that is also called improper fraction. For example, 4/4. This is also improper fraction. Now let's discuss about the mixed fractions. Mixed fractions means there is a whole number and the fractional part as well. When you combine both these whole number and the fractional part, that is called the mixed number. You can see over here 4 is the whole number and 2/3 is the fractional part. So this is called mixed number. 3, 5, 6, this is also called mixed numbers. So it contains whole number and the fractional part. Now you can see here proper fractions. 5/8. Yes, this is a proper fraction. Why? Because here numerator is less than denominator. That's why this is called proper fractions. This is improper fraction. 12/3, 9/9. Yes, these are improper fractions. Why they are improper fractions? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is 12 and the denominator is 3. So yes, these are improper fractions. Mixed number, as I already explained you, mixed number contains whole number and the fractional part. Now I am going to explain you how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. To express a mixed number as an improper fraction, first multiply whole number with the denominator and then add numerator. Then write the sum over the denominator. Let's solve few examples. Like 4 whole number 2/3. So what did I say? I said you will multiply whole number with the denominator, and then you are going to add 2 in it. Like 4 multiplied 3, what is it? 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 14 over 3, denominator will remain same. So whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator, this is how you can convert mixed number into improper fractions. Now I am going to explain you how you can convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. If you have an improper fraction, you can divide the denominator into the numerator. The quotient becomes the whole number part of the mixed number. The remainder is the numerator of the fraction, and divisor is the denominator of the fraction. So using this concept, can we convert improper fractions into mixed number? Yes, we can convert. Let's have this example. 13 over 5. So as I told, you are going to divide numerator into denominator. So 13 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. You are going to divide, like 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, then 15 is more than 13. So you are going to write 10, you will subtract, you will get 3. So what is the whole number? This is the whole number. 2 you will write as a whole number, and this numerator is your remainder is your numerator. And what comes as a denominator? That is 5, because denominator will remain same. So you are going to keep the denominator same, and you are going to divide numerator into denominator. Okay, can you express this mixed number as an improper fraction? Yes, it's very easy. You will multiply 5 with 9, that is 45, plus 8. So what is your answer? 45 plus 8, 53 over 9. As I told, that denominator will remain same. You can check your answer. You can check your answer by dividing 53 by 9. If you divide this, what you will get? You will get this improper, this mixed fraction. Like 9, how many times? 9 5s are 45. So when you subtract 45 from 53, what did you get? 8. So this is how you can check your answer. Like 5, what is 5? 5 is the whole number. This over here, this is your whole number. And this 9 will remain same. That is your divisor. That will remain same. And 8 is your numerator. This is how you can check your answer. Now we will discuss about the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions have the same value, even though they may look different. So like 1 over 2, 2 over 4, 4 over 8, they are different from each other, but they are equivalent fractions. Why they are equivalent fractions? Can you tell me why they are equivalent fractions? Why they are same? Because when you multiply or divide both the top and bottom by the same number, the fraction keeps its value. So the point to note, you are going to keep it in mind that change the bottom using multiply or divide. If you are multiplying this, same number you are going to multiply with the numerator as well. So in this case, so you multiply 2. How many times you are going to multiply 2 with? You will get 4. 2 multiply 2. Yes, you will get 4. So same number you are going to multiply over here. So 2 ones are 2. So 2 over 4. These are the equivalent fractions. 1 over 2 equivalent fraction is 2 by 4. And here again you multiply with 2. What did you get? 4 times 2 is 8. But same number you are going to multiply with the numerator as well. So these are the equivalent fractions. Here are some more equivalent fractions, this time by dividing. Like 18 over 36. With which number you are going to divide? So same table you are going to use. Like if you divide this with 3, so what do you what you will get? Like 6 by 12. Again it is divisible by 6 and 1 over 2. So these are the equivalent fractions. Now it's your turn. I have given you a homework assignment. There are 2 worksheets. Worksheet 1. This is all about how you are going to convert improper into mixed number, or mixed number into improper fractions, and like these questions which I explained you, and about the equivalent fractions also.